Friends, today the product that we are going to discuss is Himalaya Opthacare eye drop, and this eye drop is used basically to treat the condition of eye which is very common called dryness of eyes. Just before starting the video, let me tell you the same video is available both in English and Hindi languages. People who are comfortable with either of the languages can respectively make their choice. So now to start this video, so I'll just give you a very general description on this product and then I will rate it basis different parameters. But just to kind of tell you about dryness of eyes, so it has become a very common problem these days because of our increased time on laptop, mobile, and also I think we face redness of eyes or a little bit of irritation in eyes because of dust and pollution also. So there are two options which are usually available. One are your common antibiotic eye drops like Tears Plus and others, and also you have certain very good brands which are offering Ayurvedic eye drops also, like what Himalaya is offering. So today we are going to discuss this product. Just to tell you certain general specifications of this product. So the pricing, maximum retail pricing is 65 rupees, which is on the package. But if you order it through online pharmacies like 1mg or all, you will get it for 60 rupees. But the only challenge might be since it's a low cost product, so you might end up paying delivery charges. So if you're buying it online, it's better to club it with your other purchases. Otherwise, you can go to your local pharmacist and buy it out. Quantity is 10 ml. Coming to its packaging, so it comes in a cardboard packaging, the external packaging, and internally, as you can see, it's a plastic bottle with a closure, sealed closure. And coming to its ingredients, so basically two main ingredients are there. One is honey and one is Persian rose. So honey is thought to be very good for acting for the inflammation of your eyes and also giving a cooling effect, and rose is also very good when it comes to cooling your eyes and taking care of removing the itchiness or redness of the eyes. Now coming to the usage of this product, so basically you can use one drop each in both your eyes, and then you can, when you shut your eyes, then you just massage your eyes very gently and keep your eyes closed for 2 minutes. Now coming to the ranking of this product basis different parameters. So I think price wise it's extremely competitive because it's available from a brand like Himalaya. So we will give it 9 out of 10. Ingredient wise also I think ingredients look very good. So let's give it again 9 out of 10. Packaging is good. It doesn't comes with a dropper as some eye drops do, but I think that's understandable because of the price point. But you will have no challenge squeezing the bottle and dropping the drops in your eyes. So I don't see any challenge in that. So again 9 out of 10. Now coming to the most important and critical part, effectiveness. So I have been using this eye drop for more than 1 year, and I think one of the very good eye drops that you can get. And I only use it once a day, normally during the afternoon, and I've never felt like even using it twice a day. So what I can tell you is that if you use it even once a day, so its effect is very good. Don't expect something magical in terms of coolness of eyes or something like that, but it takes care of the general condition of dryness of eyes. So if you put it in your both eyes, so I think it gives you a relief for a very long span, which is I can say is long lasting. So I will again give it 9 out of 10. So I hope you like the video, and you can definitely try this product. I will give a very strong recommendation, especially to people who have a very mild or a very less severe kind of condition of dryness of eyes. Thank you so much.